Hi, so today's question is based on exponential functions. We'll just read the question and try to understand it. And after that, we'll also learn the concept as well as short trick to solve this question. So let's just read the question first. A biology class at Central High School predicted that the local population of animals will double in size. So the important thing is here is double in size after every 12 years. So after every 12 years, the population will double. The population at the beginning of 2014 was estimated to be 50 animals. So we know that the initial population is 50 animals in the year 2014. If P represents the population n years after 2014, so P is the population function which is given, then which of the following equation represents the class model of the population over time? So friends, before we discuss the concept here, let's just see the shortcut way to solve this question. So the shortest approach to solve this question is just plug in the value of n, because from the options we can see that the n is the only variable and we can just plug in the value of n if we understand the question. So what we understand from the question is that the population P, because it is given P denotes the population. So the population P will double in size after every 12 years. So if we'll substitute n is equal to 12 in these option, we should get the population as 100. Why 100? Because the initial population was 50, right? So we just need to substitute n is equal to 12 and check which option gives P is equal to 100. So option A doesn't give P is equal to 100. If we'll substitute n equal to 12, it's wrong. Option B is also wrong. In option C also wrong. But in option D, if we'll substitute n is equal to 12, we'll get is 50 into 2 raised to the power 12 by 12, which is 1, is equal to 100. So option D is the correct answer here, which we have solved by plugging in the values. So in case we have more than one options which gives us 100 as an answer in SAT maths actually, so how do we solve this question? So let's discuss the important concept behind this. So the concept is, in a in a doubling scenario, so whenever the population is doubled, it is an always an exponential growth model. So if we know that when the population is getting doubled, there is an always exponential function. So option A and option B are directly cancelled out, and which can be written in the form of y is equal to A into 2 raised to power n by b. So what is n here? N is the number of years after which we have to find the population, and b is the year at which the population size is getting doubled. So for example, in our question it is given that after every 12 years the population is getting doubled. So we'll just substitute b is equal to 12 in this equation. So what our final answer will be? Y is equal to A is the initial population. Initial population, it is given as 50. So 50 into 2, n we need not find out, and b we are aware of is 12. So y is equal to 50 into 2 raised to power n by 12. So option D as it is. So we'll mark option D as the correct answer. So this is good to know equation and good to know fact in case we get more than one answers which we cannot find out after plugging in the values. So if you have any doubts regarding this question or any other SAT math question, do post them in the comment section below. Thank you.